you learn how to drive manual.
Yeah. I thought she knew.
I try to teach her, but she don't want to learn as much.
Oh, look at all that milky oil.
Is it really good?
It's milky, yeah. Just like, remember, I think my old Jetta had a head gasket leak too.
See, I think so too, mine too. And I thought that was just normal.
Okay, so we got carried away yesterday and first they started removing stuff. So the engine mount is a big pain. We ended up pulling or jacking the engine up and it got caught up. But we noticed that once the engine is jacked up from the bottom, we pulled the engine forward, and then that gave us enough clearance to pull the engine mount out from this side. This is all the parts that we've removed so far. So this pancake plate or tube, whatever that people call it, is for the intercooler, and you have to remove it to get access to the crankshaft sprocket bolt to turn the engine to top dead center. Now we're gonna remove this duct for the turbo and figure out where all the bolts are in the heat shield. Remove the flange to the turbo exhaust. I think there's 3 bolts there. And then remove the fuel rail and the intake manifold. So I marked the belt, aligned the timing marks, and then also the manual tells you to buy a M5 by 55 bolt to compress the tensioner. So that's it right there. I'm going to tighten it down, and that way I can remove the tensioner and remove the belt. All right. Back. This thing, back of this. Oh, I guess it did work. It did compress it. That's cool. So I can show the camera. That drill bit through the plunger to compress it. The M50 or the M5 by 55. So that does work. truth.
You got everything?
Is it cracked? I lifted it on that side. It looked okay.
Oh, okay.
This side looks okay. Ready?
Yeah.
Damn!
All right. Put it down over there.
Here's the 20 valve, 1.8 turbo cylinder head. You have 3 intake valves and 2 exhaust valves per piston. And we cleaned it up the best we could. And we inspected it. So far, we didn't see any cracks. So when we throw it back together, we'll see if it was a successful head gasket replacement. And make sure you go on Amazon and buy this this Audi Volkswagen special bit. It's not a Torx. It's their special tool for head bolts. And I'll put the size in the description.